Hey guys, so this is how to change your keyboard. So first, install this app called facemoji keyboard. Once it's done installing, click on it. The app will look like this. You can choose any type of one you want. Like if you click this, you'll have to watch an ad to get it though, but only one. So pick whatever you want. You can pick other options. Collections have different types of fonts, and the devil font that other people can have. And even make your own. Check out facemoji's keyboards and go to settings. You can change your emoji style. Let's change it to tweet emoji. Now pick any type you want. Pick anything. And I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial on how to change your keyboard.